Hi from StoryWhys! In this episode, we'll be looking at how to navigate the StoryWhys comprehensive book companions using the table of contents. StoryWhys book companions are a unique, literature-based system that provides engaging, research-based language therapy for both individuals and mixed groups who are working on higher-level language and thinking skills at the middle to upper elementary grade level. The StoryWhys comprehensive book companions allow you to target many different language skills over several sessions with one high-quality storybook. When you download the PDF for one of the StoryWhys comprehensive book companions, you'll notice that there are two different versions of the table of contents. The first one is organized by the order in which each skill activity appears in the book, and the second one is organized by skill type. Let's go through how to navigate each. We'll be using the table of contents for the comprehensive book companion for A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon, but the format will be the same for any of the StoryWhys comprehensive book companions. Open the first table of contents, which is organized by the sequence of the book. This is the table of contents you should use when you'd like to target several or all of the language skills in the book companion based on the needs of your students. Note that in storybooks where there are no page numbers, it is explained at the top of the page that I've considered the first page of the story to be page 1. You can lightly number the pages of storybooks with a pencil when needed. As you look at the first page of this table of contents, you'll see that the left side of the page is organized by the point in the book when you do the activity, and the right side of the page lists where you'll find the activity sheets in this PDF file. For example, the table of contents suggests that, before you begin reading the book, you should complete the vocabulary section. The word vocabulary is a hyperlink, and it will bring you to the first page of the vocabulary section. As an alternative, you can use the StoryWhys book companion page number, which in this case is 57. You can read the instructions provided on that page if needed, and then you'll access the actual vocabulary sheets following the instructions page. You can then print these vocabulary sheets. Once you're done printing the sheets in the vocabulary section, you can click the StoryWhys logo on the top left corner of the page, and it will return you to the table of contents. You'll then see that the feelings thermometers and the thoughts and feelings sections can be used throughout the book as needed. Again, click these hyperlinks, review the instructions, print what you need, and then click the StoryWhys icon to return to the table of contents. Then, as you progress through the book, you can quickly go to the sections you need and print out the sheets you need based on the pages you expect to be reading with your students on a given day. Please note that the hyperlink will always bring you to the instructions page for each section, so locate the specific activity sheet you need within that section. For example, if you'll be covering page 12 of A Bad Case of Stripes and want to do some morphology work for that page, you click the morphology hyperlink, then locate the morphology sheet for page 12 in the book, which is indicated on the left side of the sheet. The second table of contents serves as a quick reference for each skill. For example, if you wanted to work just on cause and effect with your students, you can easily see here that there are cause and effect dynamics and corresponding activities for pages 2, 6, 10, 14, and 21 in A Bad Case of Stripes. Thanks for watching. For more on StoryWhys book companions, visit storywhys.com. And for a free 71-page comprehensive book companion, check out the special offers page.